Here's the thing, I love the Ronin RSC2. It's a small enough gimbal to put in my camera backpack, it's foldable, it's very powerful and can handle up to 3 kilograms, while my mirrorless camera is less than 2. And with the focus motor I can control either the focus or the zoom with the trigger over here, and that allows me to shoot beautiful smooth footage. Unfortunately, if I want to capture sound with that footage, I'm out of luck. Because then basically the microphone on the camera gets stuck on the top of the gimbal. Now, there's a lot of different solutions. I've searched all around. Some of them are basically putting a cumbersome cage on the camera itself. I mean, this is kind of, it's nice, but it's not something I will carry around, another piece of metal in my camera bag. Another solution is to have a microphone rail on the NATO rail here, which is an option, but then you cannot actually use the gimbal in selfie mode or in briefcase mode as well. Another solution that I've seen people do is to put a bracket here to here, like an arm, extension arm, that keeps the microphone there. But again, you cannot put the gimbal on the built-in tripod. And again, it doesn't work in selfie mode or in briefcase mode. Lucky for me, I have a 3D printer and I know how to use it. So I decided to try to build my own solution for this. And the easiest solution is to design and print a little bracket that can move the cold shoe mount to the side of the camera, so the microphone won't get stuck on the top of the gimbal. So let's get to it. And voila, the little bracket moves the microphone to the side, and now I can use the gimbal in briefcase mode, selfie mode, in any of the modes it supports without the microphone interfering with the movement. And this is the proof that this bracket works in selfie mode as well. So it works in selfie mode, in suitcase mode, and in every other mode of that gimbal, including the 360. So I'd say that for a do-it-yourself $5 bracket, it's great success. That little bracket is easy to design, easy to print, and if for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason you don't have a 3D printer yet, you can use the link in the description to actually order that part from a third-party printing service. It will cost you less than ordering an equivalent party from a shop. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.